obviously noise pollution, particularly near airports, is a major problem these days. And this aircraft deals with that very effectively. In the world, designed with very long range, but with enormous fuel efficiency and exclusive passenger comfort.
A350 XWB bisher bereits 854 Festaufträge von 45 Kunden erhalten hat.
Now, all of these improvements in the aircraft performance has been very attractive to customers. 854 of these aircraft are on order for 45 customers worldwide.
Liter Sprit und damit erreicht der Airbus A350 eine Reichweite von 8.100 nautischen Meilen. Das sind ungefähr 15.000 Kilometer.
Maximum takeoff weight at 280 tons, capable of carrying 141,000 litres of fuel, and that gives this aircraft a remarkable range due to its
Ja, und hören Sie mal hin, auch das